Well, the trial of a man accused of killing a young woman from Marion is now underway.
Yeah, witness testimony, Elizabeth, began today in a Lynn County District Courtroom in Cedar Rapids. It's the murder trial of the defendant, McKinley Louisma. Now, Louisma and two other men, Dakota Van Patten and Logan Kempton, are all charged in connection with the February 2024 death of Melody Hoffman. With that in mind, let's go live right now to KWW reporter anchor Luke Birdsall. Luke, you talked about what happened in the newsroom today about the opening statements from that Lynn County District Courtroom.
Yeah, right. And Ron and Elizabeth, McKinley Louisma is facing a first-degree murder charge, along with first-degree kidnapping and conspiracy to commit a forcible felony. 20-year-old Melody Hoffman was found dead at a Lily Lake in Amana in February of this year. Both the state and defense delivered opening statements, with the prosecution calling their first round of witnesses. But in their opening statements, the prosecution said Louisma was in a love triangle involving Hoffman, and they say that there is enough evidence to not only convict him using cell phone data to prove his guilt, but also to prove his lack of remorse.
In this case, you'll be able to follow this will show that while Melody lay lifeless on the shore of Lily Pond, the defendant and Dakota Van Patten got back into the car, listened to some music, traveled back into Cedar Rapids, bought some cigars, and then went home.
But the defense, on the other hand, claims the opposite, arguing that while Louisma was there at the scene of the crime, he did not commit the crime.
Because while he was there, he did not strangle her. While he was there, he did not cut her. While he was there, he did not beat her. While he was there, he did not kill her.
Two other men are also facing charges related to Hoffman's death, but unlike Louisma, they waived their right to a speedy trial. The court adjourned for the day shortly after 4 p.m. Live in the newsroom, Luke Birdsall, News 7, KWWL.
All right, Luke, thanks for the update. And the two other men charged in this case will be tried at later dates. Dakota Van Patten faces a jury next March on charges of murder and also kidnapping.
Yeah, the other man, Logan Kempton, he's accused of helping those two, but eventually backing out. But he still goes on trial in December.